Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to connect AliExpress to Shopify. So in order to do this, open any browser, navigate to your Shopify store and you will see your Shopify's dashboard. After navigating to your Shopify's dashboard, click on the Add Apps button just under Apps. Now after clicking on this apps icon, you will see a search option at the top. Simply click on all recommended apps in this section and click on Shopify App Store link in blue color at the bottom. Now, this will take you to Shopify App Store where you can easily search for the application to connect AliExpress to Shopify. So I'll place my cursor here. I'll type in DSers. Type in DSers AliExpress Dropshipping, click on it and it is going to open up the DSers install page. Here you can see the pricing, highlights, rating and the description for this application. Scroll down, read this if you want. You can also navigate to pricing and see the plans for this application, the reviews for this application and everything about it. Now, you can simply click on this install button and it will open up your Shopify store page where you'll have to just click on the install button here. When you click on this install button, your personal data and edit store data will be available to DSers. So after clicking on install, you'll be taken to this DSers authentication check page. We'll have to just click on login and authorize if you already have an DSers account. Now, if you want to change the DSers account, you can click on I want to change account. So I will just click on login and authorize and it will take me to this page where I will have to enter my email and password. Now, if you don't have an account, you will have to simply click on this create account button and it will open up this page where you'll have to enter email, password and click on get started. So just go ahead with the steps, follow the prompts and you'll have successfully created a DSers account. After creating the account, you'll have to just enter that credential here and click on login and authorize. After you click on this button, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to just click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, it is going to take you to step 3 where you'll have to link to suppliers. So to bind AliExpress, click on the card to the left, that is this one. And if you don't have AliExpress, click the red text that is don't have an AliExpress account. Now I will click on this don't have an AliExpress account to show you the steps. After you click on that button, it will show you this page where you'll have to register and sign in using Facebook, Google, Twitter or email. So I will choose Google and choose an account for signing up on Shopify. Now after doing this, I will have to create a password and click on link account. After I click on link account, I'll be taken to another page where I will have to create an AliExpress account. And if you click on sign in, you would have to enter your email password and click on login. After you log into DSers, you will see this DSers homepage where you can see you have successfully connected to your Shopify account. You will see home, report, product research, and if you want to find products or suppliers, just click on these two buttons and you'll be able to find products and suppliers for anything you want. So you have your dashboard here, all the tools available at the left, and you have successfully connected your AliExpress to your Shopify account. So that is a simple way to connect AliExpress to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.